We'll get there eventually. We are at the Burg Hohenzollern castle, and you can park and take a bus up, or you can walk. For some reason I thought we should walk. Could have been me, but I said, nah, let's walk. Let's walk up to the castle. We'll be fine.
And he literally got to the very top of where the hill, where the castle is. Is that like a goblin or something?
I don't know.
Goblin shark? Yeah, look. Come back over here. I have an idea. Let's go.
Take a picture there, Luke.
No.
Come on.
We made it.
Huh?
I said, we made it.
We made it! Hey, Mama. Hey guys, I have a quiz for you.
What's that?
Is my thumb inside of this?
Yes.
No, it is not. Also, there was a kid down there, and I waved to her, and she waved back, and I.
Too slow to play. So they put those helps in the classrooms.
Yeah, but in our classroom, when it's nice.
Then you can stick it on in there, man. It's gonna be good. Especially in the cold weather, it's gonna be nice and warm.
Those things are giant. Are humongous. They get all this real snow.
It's fake snow.
Can you take a picture of it?
Nach unten ans Adlertor an den Burgeingang. Dort können Sie in den Bus steigen und danach.
My favorite part of the castle was not the food, but it was the tunnel.
The tunnel?
Yeah, the tunnel that was after the food.
Oh, that had all the lights?
Yeah.